Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Just check it. If everything is fine, we are ready to go and start the discussion around 12 to 14th of July, current affairs news. On your own show, TNA, today's news analysis. So, good morning, good morning, good morning, very good morning, everyone. Yes, all well. चलिए. So good morning कार्तिक, शुभाशनी, अश्विन, जॉय. अच्छा ठीक है, मेरा साउंड भी आ रहा है. कार्तिक, वर्षा, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. चलिए स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं डिस्कशन को. 12 to 14th of July current affairs we are going to cover now in the session. Reserve Bank of India consolidates citizen charter into the unified list for 204 services for institution and public. I'll explain the news that what is the news. So RBI have done the categorization that what are the services provided by RBI directly to general public and what are the functions of RBI which are involved into the regulatory norms. So that type of complete charter issues by the Reserve Bank of India. Second one, RBI published a complete list for the verified digital lending application on the official website, from where you can check that okay, I want to borrow a loan. So is this particular application is the part of the list provided by RBI or not? If you are not able to see the name of the company or the application from where you are planning to borrow the loan, don't take loan from that particular company. It means that company is not regulated by RBI. So that is a illegal lending application. This is the list provided by Reserve Bank of India. RBI also revised the norms for the gold and silver backed loan for the farmers and small businesses. Now farmers and small businessmen allowed to keep or pledge gold with bank to borrow the loan. मतलब अब किसानों को और छोटे बिजनेसमैन को आरबीआई ने अलाउ किया है, if they want they can keep their gold with the bank and borrow the loan against it. LTV ratio is also higher, तो उसका LTV ratio भी ज्यादा होगा. ICICI Prudential AMC submit draft red herring prospectives to the SEBI, meaning is the first application to come up for IPO. ICICI Prudential AMC is planning to come up with IPO. ये कंपनी IPO लेकर आने वाली है, 10,000 crore rupee IPO. For that, the first application have been submitted by the company in front of SEBI. Priya Nair appointed as the CEO of Chief Executive Officer of Hindustan Unilever Limited, that is called HUL, one of the biggest FMCG company of India. So Hindustan Unilever Limited, the new CEO will be appointed. Name is Priya Nair. Next one, Linda Yaccarino resigned from X on the position of the CEO of X. X means Twitter. So Twitter CEO की position से resign किया है Linda Yaccarino ने. Not given any reasons. X have not given any reason. She have not given any reason. Without undisclosing the reason, she have resigned recently. India launches the first ever truck incentive scheme under PME Drive. Within the PME Drive, recently Government of India have launched the truck incentive schemes. ठीक है. So what is the total incentive under that or subsidy under this? What is the budget allocation? Going to be extremely important government scheme for the upcoming examination. Maratha military landscape inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage List as 44th entry. So 44th site from India in the UNESCO World Heritage List, and the name is Maratha Military Landscape from Maharashtra. New Akashvani Kendra to be established in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh under the BIND scheme. What is this BIND scheme? We'll discuss in depth, and what will be the new perspective when this Ujjain center will be started. Next one is Karnak Bridge, located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, renamed as a Sindoor Bridge to honor the Operation Sindoor. Karnak Bridge, which was constructed at the time of Britishers, actually. Two of the lane of this Karnak Bridge was a little bit weak, so they have been demolished and government have reconstructed them again. इनको वापस से reconstruct किया गया है, and remaining bridge is there only. like made at the time of Britishers, they are not falling down as of now. अभी तक अपने आप नहीं गिर रहे हैं Britishers के बनाए हुए bridge. We need to break them, or we need to crack them, because if their age is very old. So, but they are not falling down by their own. So Karnak Bridge is one of the bridge that was made at the time of Britishers. Now will be named as Sindoor Bridge to honor the Operation Sindoor, announced by the महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने अनाउंस किया है. ठीक है, चलिए. ओ थैंक यू मुर्गेश, थैंक्स अ लॉट मैन, थैंक यू. ओके, थैंक्स अ लॉट. होमवर्क के क्वेश्चंस चेक कर लेते हैं पहले. Which of the following fintech firm also relocated their parent company from a foreign country to India, incurred the 8,000 crore in taxes? तो इंडिया में इन्होंने वापस से शिफ्ट कर लिया है अपना जो पेरेंट कंपनी, और द हेडक्वार्टर वी कैन से दैट द हेड ऑफिस हैव बीन शिफ्टेड बाय वन मोर कंपनी फ्रॉम फॉरेन टू इंडिया. सो करेक्ट आंसर है आपके पास फोन पे ने अभी शिफ्ट किया है. एक्चुअली रिसेंटली देयर वाज अ न्यूज दैट इज द फिनटेक कंपनी रोजरपे ऑफिशियली अनाउंस्ड टू शिफ्ट देयर हेड ऑफिस फ्रॉम यूएसए टू इंडिया. रोजरपे ने अनाउंस किया कि वो अपना जो हेड ऑफिस है उसको शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, कहां से, यूएस से शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं बैक टू इंडिया. एंड फ्यू टाइम बिफोर फोन पे ऑल्सो अनाउंस टू शिफ्ट देयर हेड ऑफिस फ्रॉम सिंगापुर टू इंडिया. फोन पे का जो हेड ऑफिस था दैट वाज शिफ्टेड फ्रॉम सिंगापुर टू इंडिया in the year 2022, and recently Razorpay have announced. So these are the two updates कि Razorpay ने अभी recently announce किया कि उनका हेड ऑफिस जो है वो शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं, वो कहां से, यूएस से इंडिया में. सेकंड है, नेक्स्ट वन, Rachna, morning MCQ is not possible on Monday because already the number of news we have more. So tomorrow onwards again we will resume. So Tuesday to Friday we will be doing the morning MCQs, but Monday it is difficult. Reason, more number of news. Under which government scheme where the Satna and Datia airport projects are developed? Correct answer is Udan. Udan name is Ude Desh Ka Aam Nagarik scheme. Under this, Datia and Satna airports are going to be developed. Both airports are located in Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh में located है. When is the 81st annual general meeting of World Air Transport Summit was held in New Delhi? So correct answer is 1st of June to 3rd of June. International Air Transport Association meeting, annual general meeting was held in New Delhi. This time it was held from 1st to 3rd of June. Our TNA heroes are Gautam, you had some doubt, like huge number of current affairs are there, how to handle it. I am going to make a video even after observing the LBO examination yesterday, that the scenario is if you have 40 questions in your examination, अगर आपके एग्जाम में 40 questions आ रहे हैं ना, nowadays general awareness is like this, for sure out of 40, 10 questions will be out of the context. 10 questions are going to be almost out of the context. Maybe you have never seen that news, maybe you will never heard about these news, even you are covering PIB as well, then also you will not be able to cover the news. You read newspaper, you go for PIB, you attend current affairs, around 10 questions in your examination will be like this, 8 to 10, which will be out of the context. So, and cutoff is going to be for sure very much lower because of such type of issues, right? If we have 30 questions which are known, we should focus on them. If we are maintaining our accuracy in this area and supporting our attempts properly, this is also more than enough to score very well in GA. And second important thing is banking awareness weightage. We observed yesterday also, banking awareness weightage is increasing. So all of you have to have very good grip over the banking awareness part now, especially when you are planning this year IBPS PO, SBI PO both. You have to prepare banking awareness properly, in depth. ठीक है, चलो आगे मूव करते हैं. So Gautam, Kavya, after that Vasu, Sujoy, then Naveen Kumar ji, Aku, Uday, Varuni, Sandhya, Parvati, Arun, Rachna, Sarita, Abhinay, Veer, Jaggi Durga Rao ji, Charita, Satya, Chiranjeevi, Naveen, after that Durga, Simbu Saran, everyone. Chaliye, homework questions for tomorrow. What is the budgetary requirement approved by the Union Cabinet for nutrient based subsidy rate for the Kharif season 2025? Second question, what is the total funding approved for the electronics component manufacturing scheme under the Union Cabinet 2025? Third, which of the following statements are correct about Stand Up India scheme? So you need to find out the correct statement regarding Stand Up India scheme. GSL 2.0, I'm trying to provide you best quality content into that, complete banking awareness, complete current affairs along with the insurance awareness within the batch. Central Bank of India, PNB Credit Officer, Indian Overseas Bank LBO, IDBI JM, all these interview batches are live going on. Mocks are going on in CBI, PNB. Soon we will be starting the mock interview for IOB and IDBI as well. What is your personalized mentorship program? If you're looking for it, check the details over the guide. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. And join the Telegram group, get the PDF. If you have any confusion, connect with me directly. Regulatory news. News number 1. Reserve Bank of India consolidates citizen charter into the unified list of 204 services for the institution and public. So this new charter issues on July 1st, 2025. First of all, date is important, that Reserve Bank of India issues a consolidated citizen charter, merging the services for the regulated institution and public into the single list of 204 services. So RBI said that 204 services provided by Reserve Bank of India in the industry, 204. This list issues by Reserve Bank of India on 1st of July 2025. 1st July को RBI ने क्या किया, ये list issue किया. Citizen charter is a open. What is citizen charter issues by RBI? Question can be, consider the correct statement regarding citizen charter issues by RBI. What is citizen charter? When it was issued? What citizen charter hold? So previously RBI service were split into two categories. 133 services under the regulated approvals and 58 services under the citizen charter. So RBI have defined previously that 133 services are available only for banking and financial institution, and 58 services were available only for the general public, that is under the citizen charter. Now consolidated list issues by Reserve Bank of India, total 204 services issued by RBI for bank along with the general public. So 204 services offered by the रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया. ये आरबीआई ने बोला है कि 204 सर्विसेज जो है हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर द जनरल पब्लिक. सो फॉर जनरल पब्लिक सर्विसेज लाइक logging the complaint, banking ombudsman, getting the information with the support of RTI, right to information. So these are the services which are provided by RBI to general public. General public cannot take the services like depositing money in RBI, borrowing loan from RBI. These services are not available for general public, as you already know. These services are made available by RBI only for the banks. सिर्फ banks के लिए. RBI is known as bankers to bank, bankers to government, not bankers to general public. Not bankers to general public. Correct? So these are the point. So out of 204 services, 180 services are now accessible over the Pravah portal. Pravah portal, platform for the regulatory application, validation and authorization. Full form is important. And remaining services are available on the platform like eKuber or the individual applications and individual portal like banking ombudsman. So there these services are available. So almost every service RBI made digital, that every service can be taken from the digitally platform. So 204 total services issued by Reserve Bank of India provided by RBI. The list and the charter was issued on 1st of July 2025. Reserve Bank of India published the complete list of verified digital lending application on the official website. What is the meaning of digital lending application? Such apps, NBFCs, which are offering you loan lending facility digitally online like Credit B, Credbox, Landbox, even the companies like Lending Card, Navi, Phone Pay, Bharat Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, there also you can take loans. So these are the digital lending applications in India which are offering you loan facility. In India, approximately 1,600 digital lending applications are approved by RBI. इतने तो RBI approved हैं. Approximately 1,600 digital lending applications are approved by Reserve Bank of India. List is available on the RBI website now. Apart from that, other applications which are available in the market offering the lending facility, they are not approved. They are illegal digital lending application. So RBI given the list of 1,600 digital lending application to make customer aware about that if you are borrowing loan from any non-regulated illegal digital lending application, means you may be the part of any scam in future. So do not even borrow the loan from such type of application. तो RBI का ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि आप नॉन रेगुलेटेड जो डिजिटल लैंडिंग एप्लीकेशंस हैं वहां से लैंडिंग फैसिलिटी अवेल ना करें. इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ RBI 2023 डिजिटल लैंडिंग गाइडलाइंस which ensure transparency, public access, verified digital lending platform. ये RBI ने भी रिसेंटली स्टार्ट किया था. RBI told that by July first week they will be issuing the list. RBI issues the list of it. पॉइंट क्लियर है? जाग रहे? यहां तक की न्यूज क्लियर है? मैं थोड़ा स्पीड में चल रहा हूं, नंबर ऑफ न्यूज ज्यादा है थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. RBI, Reserve Bank of India revised the norms for the gold silver backed loans to the farmers and small businesses. Reserve Bank of India allowed voluntary pledging of the gold and silver jewelry as a collateral for the agriculture and small businesses. All the commercial bank, regional, rural bank, small finance bank, state cooperative banks, all these banks will be allowed to accept gold and silver in the form of collateral from the agriculture sector, means from the farmer or from the small businessman. इनको allow किया है RBI ने, that yes you can take it as a collateral, yes you can offer the loan against it once their limit is over. So for example, farmer have collateral free lending limit 2 lakh rupee, that was increased from 1.6 lakh in December 2024, correct? So now one farmer allowed to borrow loan up to 2 lakh rupee without collateral, but a farmer required loan of 4 lakh rupee. एक फार्मर को कितना लोन चाहिए? 4 लाख रुपए का लोन चाहिए. Up to 2 lakh rupee loan that farmer can borrow without collateral, that is allowed by the RBI. Remaining 2 lakh rupee loan that farmer can take now against the gold के अगेंस्ट में वो लोन बोरो कर सकते हैं. Gold will be kept as a pledge, that is a collateral, so it will be acting as a collateral, and remaining 2 lakh rupee loan will be provided by the bank in the form of gold loan के फॉर्म में फार्मर को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. This is what allowed by the Reserve Bank of India now. This is RBI recently allowed to the banks and NBFCs, especially banks, not NBFCs, they said. To the banks they allowed it. So loan up to 10 lakh rupee for the MSME without any collateral. Above 10 lakh rupee, if MSME is looking for loan, then they can take gold or silver, they can kept as a collateral. So LTV ratio was usually 75% till now, but RBI increases the LTV ratio also, we are aware about it. LTV ratio for the loan up to 2.5 lakh rupee 85%, up to 5 lakh rupee 80%, above 5 lakh rupee that is 75%. So this is what the LTV rate, right? Loan under 2.5 lakh, no detailed credit appraisal is required. On a easy note, loan can be provided to the customer. ठीक है, loan can be provided to the customer. So restriction, precaution, primary gold or silver backed ETF mutual fund. So previously loans were not allowed providing, means to the farmer and all were not allowed to provide against the gold and such type of instrument, but now it is allowed. अब allow कर दिया है that banks are able to provide loan to the farmer against gold or against the silver. अब इनको allow किया गया है that jewelry and all under this case they will be allowed. ठीक है, बस इतना ही है. नेक्स्ट है ICICI Prudential AMC submit the first document to come up with the IPO. The document is called Red Herring Prospective. Red Herring Prospective. So Red Herring Prospective, it is the first document or first application submitted by any company want to come up with IPO, initial public offering. कोई भी कंपनी IPO लेकर आना चाहती है ना, तो उनको जो पहला एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म सबमिट करना होता है वो कहलाता है DRHP. इसी को बोलते हैं DRHP. फुल फॉर्म याद रखिएगा, ड्राफ्ट रेड हियरिंग प्रोस्पेक्टिव. ड्राफ्ट रेड हियरिंग प्रोस्पेक्टिव. This was the full form of DHRP. So it is the first application which is submitted recently by ICICI Prudential. Company want to come up with the IPO of approximately 10,000 crore. So 10,000 crore रुपए का IPO लेकर कंपनी आना चाह रही है. 10,000 crore रुपए IPO company want to come with the market. ICICI Prudential is a AMC asset management company where 51% stake hold by ICICI Bank and 49% stake hold by Prudential. Prudential holds 49% stake. So these two companies started this ICICI Prudential. Mr. Nimish Shah is the managing director and CEO of ICICI Prudential AMC. तो ICICI Prudential AMC जो है, इसके managing director CEO है Nimish Shah. Currently the largest AMC in India is HDFC. HDFC AMC is the largest AMC in India with the market capitalization of 1.09 lakh crore rupee, followed by Nippon 50,000 crore, Aditya Birla 23,000 crore rupee. ICICI Prudential founded in the year 1993, Mumbai, Maharashtra headquarter. Nimish Shah is the managing director and CEO. Banking and financial news category. So ICICI Prudential applied to come up with the IPO of 10,000 crore rupee. बड़ा न्यूज है. नेक्स्ट है स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया म्यूचुअल फंड. SBI म्यूचुअल फंड launches specialized investment fund. In short, it is called SIF. SIF. In the previous examination, multiple time we have seen the question, what is the full form of SIP? What is SIP? Systematic investment plan was SIP. Now very old concept, very common concept. The new concept is SIF. What is SIF? SIF is a specialized investment fund. What it is? Specialized investment funds are the fund where if I am investing my 5 lakh rupee, I am giving my 5 lakh rupee to SBI mutual fund. That SBI mutual fund utilize my 5 lakh rupee to make investment into equity. So what they are going to do, they will take my 5 lakh rupee, they will invest in, for example, 10 companies. 10 companies they will make the investment. So it is not a case like they decided to make investment in 10 companies. Now it will be fixed for 10 companies only. With the time, in every 2-3 days, SBI mutual fund will observe the market very regularly and they will continuously switch my investment to other companies. Continuously switch my investment to other bonds or government securities. So my fund will not get stuck in a single type of portfolio. सिंपल बात ये है कि मोर डाइवर्स और कंटिन्यूसली चेंज होने वाला फंड है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है आपका स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट फंड. अंडर स्पेशलाइज्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट fund managers need to be more attentive and active and continuously switch the investment with the market trends. जैसे जैसे मार्केट ऊपर नीचे यहां वहां हो रहा है, फंड मैनेजर्स को फंड निकाल कर दूसरे फंड्स में डालना जरूरी रहेगा. So it will be a type of hot money. There is a concept in the investment called hot money. Hot money is a type of investment where the fund is invested in one type of equity or bond, but it is not invested for the longer term. Money invested just to generate profit. If the profit is generated in one day, they will remove this fund and invest somewhere else. So it's more towards trading compared to investment. आप ट्रेड ज्यादा कर रहे हो, इन्वेस्ट कम कर रहे हो. ट्रेड मतलब वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म प्रॉफिट यू वांट टू गेन, more profit you want to gain in short term. That is a trading. Investment means you are investing and sitting for a longer term. That okay, I'll sit for now 5 year, 10 year and then I'll get my money back. I hope you are getting the difference. समझ आ रहा होगा difference क्या है. So this specialized investment fund is more a type of trading compared to the investment. इसमें आपका पैसा बहुत जल्दी स्विच करवाया जाता है from one investment to another investment. This is what the difference between a normal investment and a specialized investment fund. So now SBI mutual fund, the largest fund house in India, entering into the specialized fund investment called Magnum brand. इसको नाम दे रहे हैं Magnum fund और Magnum brand. Magnum was chosen due to existing brand association. SBI have lots of scheme called Magnum. Mr. Gaurav Mehta have been appointed as the head of a specialized investment fund. So specialized investment fund will be the fifth fund house in India to enter into. SBI will be the fifth fund house in India to enter into specialized investment fund space after Edelweiss, IDI, Miras and Quant. Other companies are also going to come. A specialized investment fund are the new product segment within the mutual fund framework, providing greater flexibility on the investment strategies. Greater flexibility, more flexibility. Minimum ticket size for the specialized investment fund is 10 lakh rupee. If you want to make investment, minimum 10 lakh rupee is required. 10 lakh रुपए का minimum investment जरूरी है. SIF can be structured as equity, debt or hybrid. SIF more suitable for the evolved investors, not new investors, evolved investors who undertake or who understand the market techniques, prefer advanced investment strategies compared to the regular mutual fund. For them it's better. So it will be more flexible, more risky. So those who are able to take risk, they are only required to make investment into such type of investment. So SBI came with the specialized investment fund. Name will be called Magnum. SBI Mutual Fund, founded in the year 1987, Mumbai, Maharashtra, headquarter, Nandakishore Sir is the MD and CEO. Asia Index, a wholly owned subsidiary of BSE Bombay Stock Exchange, announced the launch of new index called BSE Insurance Index. So BSE Bombay Stock Exchange is going to come up with a new index that is will be called BSE Insurance Index. What is the meaning of index? Index is the combination of the companies from the same type of category. For example, BSE Insurance Index. If you want to make investment in the insurance sector, but you are unable to decide that should I make investment in LIC or I should make the investment in the newly growing companies which are doing better like Tata, AIA, in which company I should invest. So it's better, instead of deciding one company, you can make investment in the insurance index. Insurance index will be the combination of the insurance companies together. So your money will be invested in a proportionate form in the insurance companies together, only insurance companies. So such type of combination of similar type of companies together is called index. Sensex is a index, Nifty is a index. Similar to that, BSE Insurance will be a index for the insurance sector. I hope the point is clear. So Asia Index, which is a subsidiary of BSE, announced to launch a new index called BSE Insurance Index. This BSE Insurance Index will provide opportunity for the investors to make investment in the insurance sector. Insurance sector में इसमें investment किया जा सकेगा. Slice launches India's first UPI enabled. Sir, equity, debt, hybrid, what the difference among them? Murgesh, equity means directly in the stocks of a company. Stocks. You become the partner of a company when you invest into equity. That is equity fund. That is the investment into stocks, not into bond. Second is called debt fund. Debt fund means where the investment made in the instrument which are related to loan, like bond and debenture. So money is not invested into equity. Money is invested into bond and debenture in the form of loan fund. Third is called hybrid. Hybrid is the combination of both. That for example, you invested 1 lakh. So some of the amount invested in equity, some of the amount invested into debt. That is called hybrid. This is the difference between all three. Okay. Next one. Slice. There was a news few days before. पहले वो news बता देता हूँ आपको. 21st of May 2025, Reserve Bank of India. Madam, sir, alteration of the name of Northeast Small Finance Bank Limited to Slice Small Finance Bank Limited in the second schedule of RBI Act 1934. So there was update that Northeast Small Finance Bank updated as a अपडेटेड नाउ एज स्लाइस स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक। पहली चीज, नाम चेंज हो गया है। रीजन, नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक was acquired by one of the fintech NBFC called Slice, Bengaluru based। तो बैंगलोर बेस्ड स्लाइस कंपनी ने नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक को एक्वायर किया। एक्विजिशन के बाद नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक को अभी रिसेंटली मई 2025 में रीनेम कर दिया गया है। सो नाउ द न्यू नेम ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक इज नोन एज स्लाइस स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक। तो ये तो रही एक पॉइंट। स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम विच डेट? इट इज स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 16th of May 2025। 16th of May 2025 से नाम चेंज हो गया। So now North East Small Finance Bank known as Slice Small Finance Bank. Now Slice, the fintech company Slice started India's first UPI powered physical branch in Koramangala, Bengaluru. So in Koramangala, Bengaluru, Slice NBFC started one of the physical branch, providing the multiple services with the support of UPI. ATM transactions can be done, instant account opening. Now you may get confused, sir, how to open account? So account opening for the Slice Small Finance Bank will be available with the support of these branches. Cash transaction without debit card. So without debit card also you can withdraw money with the support of these ATMs. So first UPI powered physical branch started by which NBFC? Name is Slice. Where it is started? Koramangala, Bengaluru. It is started. So it is located on 80 feet road in Bengaluru startup ecosystem. Customers can deposit, withdraw by using UPI, replacing the need of traditional debit card. Any bank account you are holding, does not matter. You are holding SBI also. You have your application, your UPI application with you. You can withdraw money. It is not necessary you should have account in Slice only or Slice Small Finance Bank. Any bank you can utilize this particular branch, this particular UPI facility from where you can withdraw the money. ठीक है, ये इन्होंने अभी recently announce किया है. So Slice want to increase the business of the Slice Small Finance Bank now. So for that purpose they are taking such type of initiative. So now Northeast Small Finance Bank, which is now known as Slice Small Finance Bank, can increase their presence in the bigger cities like Bengaluru as well. Next one, PhonePe maintained the lending UPI position with the 46% market share in June 2025. So which are the top 4-5 companies in India or the applications in India in term of holding the total UPI transactions? So PhonePe is on top with around 46% of market share. Google Pay second, 34%. Paytm third, 11%. Amazon Pay 1.82%. Yes Bank application 0.88%. So these are the top 5 applications in India which are doing the more transactions of UPI. PhonePe retains the top position with around 8.54 billion transaction. 8.54 billion transaction के साथ में जो PhonePe है वो आपका टॉप पर रहा है with the market share of around 46%. These applications are called TPAP. इन्हें कहा जाता है TPAP, third party application providers, TPAP. So in the TPAP category, Navi, which is owned by Mr. Bansal, this company is also performing well. Super.money owned by Flipkart, this is also performing well. So these are the new good performing applications. The state wise अगर हम बात करें, state wise volume, Maharashtra maximum UPI volume 8.8%, Karnataka second number, Uttar Pradesh on top. So in term of UPI, which are the top 3 states in India? Maharashtra, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. Maharashtra, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. These are the top 3 states. So what was the share of PhonePe? PhonePe का share कितना percent है? If you will observe day before yesterday examination, more focus was on the data. They ask that PhonePe, they may ask in the upcoming exam, PhonePe share in the month of June 2025 in the overall UPI transaction. Answer will be 46%. What was the percentage of Maharashtra in term of UPI transaction in India? 8.8%. With that, Maharashtra is on top. यही तो दिक्कत हुआ है एग्जामिनेशंस में, क्वेश्चन नोन होने के बाद भी परसेंटेज याद नहीं हो पाते हैं. करेक्ट है. नेक्स्ट है आदित्य बिरला, आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप चेयरपर्सन मिस्टर Kumar Mangalam Miller appointed as the Executive Committee Board of Director of US-India Strategic Partnership Forum. So US-India Strategic Partnership Forum, one of the committee objective to increase the trade business between India and US. एक कमेटी है जिसका टास्क है इंडिया यूएस के बीच में बिजनेस और ट्रेड को क्या करना, इंक्रीज करना. In that committee, one of the board of member appointed. So board of member who is appointed recently is the chairperson of आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप. आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप के चेयरपर्सन है, नेम है कुमार मंगलम बिरला. So Mr. Kumar Mangalam Birla appointed as the Executive Committee Board of Director of US-India Strategic Partnership Forum. So group operate around in 15 states across the US in metal, carbon black and chemical category. So the group is also performing well to increase the businesses between India and US. तो इंडिया यूएस के बीच में बिजनेस इंक्रीज करने के लिए दोनों बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये पॉइंट है आपके पास. कुमार मंगलम बिरला अपॉइंटेड एज द वन ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर ऑफ द यूएस इंडिया स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप फोरम. मिस्टर गोविंद मोहन, कैबिनेट appointment committee on the cabinet announced the extension of Union Home Secretary of India. Union Home Secretary of India, Mr. Govind Mohan tenure extended till August 2026. For another 1 year, the extension have been given to Mr. Govind Mohan. So Govind Mohan sir, who is the Union Home Secretary of India at present, is the 1989 batch IAS officer for the Sikkim cadre. He was appointed in August 2024 as the Cabinet Secretary, as the Home Secretary, not Cabinet Secretary, as the Union Home Secretary in place of Mr. Ajay Kumar Bhalla, and now he is holding the charge for another one year. Repeating one more time, Mr. Govind Mohan, who is the Union Home Secretary of India. Home Minister is Amit Shah. Union Home Secretary is Mr. Govind Mohan. Got the extension for another 1 year. एक साल के लिए इनको क्या दिया गया extension. HUL, Hindustan Unilever Limited appointed Priya Nair as the new CEO and the Managing Director of HUL. Started from 1st of August 2025. August 1st 2025 से Priya Nair is going to take charge as the MD and CEO, and she will be appointed as the first women CEO of HUL. HUL की पहली CEO अपॉइंट होने जा रही है फीमेल CEO. Mr. Rohit Java, currently the Managing Director and CEO, getting retired on 31st July 2025, pursue the new personal and professional opportunities. So Priya Nair joined HUL in the year 1995. 1995 में इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था. Various roles in sales, marketing across the home care category, beauty, well-being and personal care, and now she will be appointed as the CEO of the company. CEO company की अपॉइंट हो गई हैं प्रिया नायर. ठीक है, इंटरनेशनल न्यूज पर आते हैं. लिंडा Yaccarino recently resigned from the position of the CEO of Twitter, which is now known as X. Reason is not disclosed. The only thing which came into the public discussion mode, that was the adoption of Grok AI, that is X AI chatbot called Grok over the Twitter. So after involvement of Grok over the Twitter, she was not happy, she was not that much satisfied or in that working environment and the reply for the Grok, whatever the issue was. So resignation has been done by her without giving any reason. Even the X, or no specific reason given by Twitter, no specific reason given by her. Name you should remember, that is Linda Yaccarino. Now let's see who will be appointed as the next CEO. अगला CEO किसको अपॉइंट किया जाता है वो पता चलेगा. Next है 11th of July 2025, UNESCO added three historic sites from Cambodia linked to the Khmer Rouge brutal regime in World Heritage List. So there was a duration from 1975 to 1979, and the king or administrator or dictator of Cambodia was Khmer Rouge. So Khmer Rouge was the dictator of Cambodia from 1975 to 79. He was the person, means his tenure was known for merciless killing of the people of country. Merciless killing मतलब बहुत बेरहमी से इसने काफी लोगों की जो मतलब मारा इसने बहुत बुरे तरीके से. So 47th session of the World Heritage Committee in the Paris and marking the 50 years since the regime resides, and 75 to 79 Khmer Rouge rule. So 3 sites were added, that is Tall Slang Genocide Museum in Phnom Penh, a former school used to as a prison for 15,000 people were tortured. M3 prison, M3 prison that was secretly operated by the Khmer Rouge, and after that Chonang Ek killing field, 15-kilometer phenomenon used for the mass killing, execution and burial, known worldwide through the film of Killing Fields. तो एक मूवी भी आई हुई है इसके ऊपर Killing Fields film करके. So because of that, so these are the 3 sites from Cambodia which are added to the UNESCO World Heritage List. Coming to the government scheme, one of the very important government scheme, India launches first ever electric truck incentive scheme under PM E-Drive. So PM E-Drive that was launched in place of FAME. FAME was replaced by PM E-Drive. PM E-Drive जो है उसको उसने replace किया FAME को, faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicle. PM E-Drive was till now applicable for the electric vehicles like cars and all. Now it will be implemented for trucks, electric trucks. So PM E-Drive launched for the electric truck. So Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy on 12th of July 2025 launched the scheme promoting the clean and sustainable transportation aligned for India's net zero carbon emission 2070. The scheme will have the subsidy of 9.6 lakh rupee per truck. एक ट्रक के ऊपर 9.6 लाख रुपए का सब्सिडी प्रोवाइड होगा. N2 and 3 category vehicle means the heavy vehicles provided upfront discount of 9.6 lakh rupees. So when you will be buying it, you need to pay this much amount of money less. Manufacturer will be reimbursed via PM E-Drive portal. PM E-Drive portal on first come first serve basis. Warranty requirement, battery minimum 5 year or 5 lakh kilometer. So this has to be minimum performance for the subsidy. Vehicle and motor 5 year or 2.5 lakh kilometer. Vehicle and motor 2.5 lakh kilometer or 5 years minimum guarantee of the vehicle. Truck का guarantee 5 year बोल रहे हैं, 5 year guarantee for truck. Beneficiary must scrap their old diesel truck to qualify for the supporting removal of the high emission. The scheme will be facilitated deployment of 5,600 electric trucks, especially 1,100 in Delhi, under the budget allocation of 100 crore rupee. So 100 crore rupee का budget allocation है. 5,600 trucks have been announced under this scheme. Diesel truck hold only 3% of the total vehicle count, but the contribution of diesel truck is 42% in the overall pollution. Pollution में 42% इनका contribution है by the vehicle pollution, and their number is only 3% of the total vehicles. Companies like Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Volvo are expected to get the benefit because of this truck. They will be moving into that. SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, already announced 150 e-trucks to simplify electrifying 50% of their total trucks. तो अपने total trucks का 15% जो है इलेक्ट्रीफाई करने के लिए सेल ने अभी रिसेंटली अनाउंस किया है. नेक्स्ट है Antharpur police station located in Kerala. Antharpur police station located in Kerala became the first police station to be certified under Bureau of Indian Standard category ISO 9001-2015 certification given to Antharpur police station located in Kerala. Certificate was presented in a ceremony attended by senior law enforcement and BIS designee, and certificate handed over by Praveen Khanna, the Deputy Director General of BIS. इन्होंने certificate जो है वो hand over किया. It became the first police station to be recognized under this category, and the station name is Antharpur police station located in Kerala. Maratha military landscape inscribed in the UNESCO World Heritage Site became the 44th site from India. 44th site from India. 44th site from India during the 47th World Heritage Committee Summit that is conducted. So India's nomination for the year 2024-25 Maratha military landscape got inscribed into the UNESCO World Heritage List, becoming the India's 44th property to receive this recognition. तो इंडिया का 44th साइट बन गया है. Maratha military landscape is the part of military landscape of the Maratha Empire located in Maharashtra, basically in Maharashtra. India ranked 6th globally and the 2nd in the Asia with the most number of World Heritage sites. 197 nations ratified the World Heritage Convention in the year 1972. India already have 62 sites under the tentative list. 62 tentative है, 44 confirmed. 62 tentative है, 44 confirmed. I hope the point is clear. ठीक है. So 62 tentative है, 44 confirmed. चलो. So it became the 44th site now. चलो लास्ट न्यूज है, देख लेना, बाकी फिर आप लोग पीडीएफ से. Ministry of Electronics Information Technology have done the collaboration with the BITS Pilani, have signed the MOU understanding of launch of the professional development, cybersecurity for the professionals across the government, public sector, industry. So recently, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology have done the collaboration with BITS Pilani. BITS Pilani के साथ में इन्होंने अभी recently collaboration किया है. Main objective is increasing the cyber security program across the category. चलिए 9 o'clock हो गया. I'll be meeting you back tomorrow same time. PDF do download from the GA Genius Telegram group, and soon a strategy video I'll be sharing based on the recent trends and the examination and the question of general awareness and the changing trends of that. मैं उसके ऊपर एक वीडियो जरूर करूंगा कि क्या करें हम अगर इतना पढ़ने के बाद भी GA जो है वो अभी भी अनएक्सपेक्टेड लग रहा है एग्जामिनेशंस के लिए. व्हाट शुड बी आवर स्ट्रेटजी इनटू दैट. ठीक है, एक जेन्युइन जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू हो सकता है बेस्ड ऑन माय एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 12-13 ईयर इन द सेम कैटेगरी. सो आई विल बी एबल टू शेयर विथ यू. थैंक यू फॉर